Dear students, today we will discuss about the magnetic effects of electric current. In previous chapter we have studied about the electricity. In that chapter we have studied about circuits. In this chapter we will study about the effect of electricity, because in previous chapter we have studied the heating effect of current. Here we will study another phenomena which is related to the electric current, effect of electric current. When we show an experiment in which a magnetic compass is passed near by the circuit of the electric current carrying wires, then we will observe the magnetic compass is deflecting. That means the circuit by which current is passing is we have like magnet, because we have idea like poles of the magnets repel to each other and unlike poles of the magnet attract to each other. And here the needle of magnetic compass is deflecting when it is passed near to the current carrying conductor or circuit through which current is passing. That means it is clear the effect of the electricity is producing magnet. That means current, due to the current, magnet is being produced. It is the effect of the current. The scientist Hans Christian Ørsted had discovered this phenomena in 19th century. In 1820 he has showed this experiment, and in his research he has said the electric carrying conductor produce magnetism and magnet produce electric field both. That means according to him both phenomena linked to each other. In the honor of this scientist, the magnetic strength unit is given as Ørsted. when a magnetic compass is placed pass by the circuit through which current is flowing, the needle of the compass is deflecting. We have idea. The magnetic compass needle behaves as a bar magnet, and the point of the needle which indicating north is said to be north seeking or north pole, and other end which is indicating south is said to be south seeking or south pole. Due to the behavior of bar magnet, just like a bar magnet, if this magnetic compass is kept nearby the bar magnet, that time if north pole of that bar magnet and north pole of the magnetic compass is keeping in contact, then we will observe the magnetic compass needle is deflecting. That means the force between same pole which is acting is the repelling to each other, because we have idea the same pole of the magnet repel each other, and when due to that force the magnetic needle deflecting, and when different pole, that means south pole of that bar magnet and north pole of the magnetic needle is skipped, then there is no sense, because there are different poles and they will attract to each other. This is the effect of the same or different poles of the two bar magnets. And when the current carrying conductors through which current is flowing, and where we have kept that magnetic compass, and compass needle is deflecting, that means due to the flow of the current around the wire, a field is creating, magnetic field is creating. Due to that magnetic compass needle is deflecting. That means it is clear that when through a wire electricity is being flowed around that wire, magnetic field will be produced. So it is clear, if by the current carrying conductor magnetic field is being produced, then definitely the moving magnet will be produced. By the moving magnet, it will be produced electricity, definitely. So Oersted had said the electricity and magnet both are linked to each other. That means if by the effect of electric current magnetic field is being produced, then by the action of moving of magnet, electricity will be also produced. Thank you.